The process of hiring a lawyer begins with the initial consult. In an initial consult, when I first meet a client, I often introduce myself, talk a bit about my philosophies of practicing law. We also explain the law. I want to educate you. So I'm going to do a summary of the law and also point out other resources you can look to educate yourself. The other thing we do in the initial consultation is we answer questions, and we leave plenty of time to do that. If you decide to proceed forward with my firm, we next set up another consultation. We talk about any questions you may have about custody. There usually are always questions regarding the kids, and we don't want to leave those unanswered while we're gathering financial information. In the third meeting, what we do is analyze the forms that you've worked on. We have you bring in the documents we've requested. We go through questions you may have in filling out the forms that we went over. And we start getting a good financial picture of what your assets and your debts look like, and also problems related to time sharing with the kids. We talk about what that looks like as far as what can you expect in terms of time that you will get with your children. We also begin talking about how you're going to talk to your spouse about going through this process and what specifically you should say or not say to your spouse about this. Oftentimes, this is very, very difficult for clients. Obviously, this is a hard conversation to have. We talk about the various ways you can do that, whether it's in counseling, whether it's you sitting down with your spouse, or whether you need a letter from myself that simply explains to your spouse that you have chosen to discuss your legal issues around separation and that they need to begin the process of getting an attorney.